Noong una, kumalat po ang impormasyon na may ICC warrant of arrest na umano'y isisilbi po kay Senator Bato. Pagkatapos sinabi namang CIDG subpoena lang pala ito. Ano po ba talaga ang totoong nangyari noong Mayo 11? Attorney?
Well, nung May 11, dahil sa may miscommunication kami doon sa pamilya ni Senator Bato de la Rosa, no, nasa Davao ako, no? But I was always in contact with the staff of Senator Bato de la Rosa. And pag-stop kay Senator Bato kasi, nung dating niya sa Senado, bigla na lang yung mga NBI tried to stop him. Wala namang sabpina na sinabi. At saka kung totoo na sabpina yun, sana si IDG yung nag-implement. Taga-NBI eh. They were really trying to implement the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC. So, yung mga balita na they were just trying to serve a subpoena from the CIDG, I think I can dare say that that is not truthful. Why? Because if they were trying to serve a subpoena from the CIDG, I would like to believe that CIDG has more personnel than NBI. Bakit NBI ang mag-serve ng isang instrumento na galing sa CIDG? And the events in May 11 would really prove us out that even the head of the NBI attempted to enter the Senate premises in the morning of May 11, no? So wala pong katotohanan that they were trying to serve the CIDG subpoena, but the truth was and still is they tried to serve the ICC warrant, and that could be confirmed because in the afternoon of the same day, si Mr. Antonio Trillanes was already in the Senate, and he was even showing a copy of an alleged ICC warrant of arrest. That would prove that what they were trying to serve on May 11, even if there was no Philippine court issued or Philippine court validated and confirmed warrant of arrest, was the ICC warrant and not the CIDG subpoena.